We would like to inform you that no animals were harmed in the making of this video. Woof.
Stephanie Cruz, you may come in. Hi, we just have a few questions to ask you.
Alright.
Where did you get your frogs?
PetSmart.
Do you cry when you chop onions?
Onions are friends, not food.
Well, did you by any chance happen to star in the movie Hold with Shia LaBeouf?
I was originally casted as Madame Zeroni, but I was way too young to play that part.
Too young?
Thank you for your time. You may leave.
How are you too young?
Please send in Eric Dacey.
How you doing, fellas?
Let's just get straight to the point. How did you get to Honolulu?
Alright. I took a plane across country from Tinley Park to Wyoming, and then I hiked south through the Rocky Mountains of Colorado. I headed west to Nevada to gain more money with my Einstein knowledge. Then I jetted to the Golden Gate Bridge just to parachute exactly at a 54-degree angle, and then I landed on my private yacht and sailed 2.8 days to Hawaii in search for the new substance of a volcano.
What volcano were you looking for?
I think it was a Kalahu volcano. It's been active and erupting since 1983.
Do you have any questions for him?
Well, sir, why are you wearing a grass skirt?
Well, you see, grass skirts intimidate krakens. Everybody knows that.
Thank you for your time. You are dismissed. Now, Rachel Iverson.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, Rachel. We just have a few questions for you. Okay. What are your bears' names?
My favorite one, that one's Paul. The next one is probably Dorney. And then we have Bond, and then the least favorite is Jovi.
What do you consider precious cargo?
Well, my precious cargo I ordered a few weeks ago so I'd be able to dine with my 4 friends. Man, this is quite the interrogation.
Hey!
What?
Can I ask her a question?
Of course you can.
By any chance, are you allergic to bees?
Are you allergic to duct tape?
Okay, you can leave now.
So let's just go over our notes a little bit.
Stephanie Cruz, what did you think of her?
That's odd.
I don't know, she had a lot to do with cooking things. So I feel like she could have had something to do with vegetable oil. Eric, he was a little weird.
She was smart.
He talked about lighting things and fire, so maybe he had to do something with lighter fluid. And Rachel, she was the one with the Care Bears. She
I like this hat.
she talked about bees
The hat.
and Care Bears. So I'm thinking she has something to do with honey.
The hat. The
Yeah,
hat.
her hat was nice.
Uh-huh.
And the crowd goes wild.
Thank you.
Well, hello, Keaton. We have a few questions for you. Of all people, why did you take Patrick Warner's car?
Why not, Patrick Warner?
Okay. Why don't you just get a blanket in the winter when you get cold?
I spend most of my time in my car, not my house.
Excuse me? Do you happen to, maybe be in a committed relationship with Megan Kendra, or maybe even her Barbies?
Are you in a committed relationship with Megan Kendra or her Barbies?
Touche. Carrie Fitzgibbons, you may now enter the room.
Cows! 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 Have you guys seen any cows?
No. Hey, calm down. We have questions for you. What town were you wandering the outskirts of?
Wisconsin. Wait, Wisconsin? Cheese, milk, cows. Do you have any cows in Wisconsin?
Probably not. You and Violet found Veronica! Okay, I'm done with her.
Can I ask? Can I
Yes.
ask her?
Let's go.
Why don't you have any friends?
Well, you know, like, I'm my mom and dad's pride and joy.
So?
Just leave.
How about that Keaton class guy?
You didn't kick me yet.
Oh. How about that Keaton class guy? He really liked cars.
Too short.
He stole Patrick Warner's cars, and then he stole Megan Kendra's cars.
Too short.
I just don't understand. I think he has something to do with antifreeze.
Too short.
Carrie Fitzgibbons was next.
Oh, she
She was crazy.
She's cray
Okay,
cray. This girl
she really
cray
liked
cray.
cows. She probably had something to do with milk because of her dairy obsession.
Alright, hit the gas a little. You gotta pretend like you're on the street. Come on.
Right, we're done.
Yell at Cookie Coffee.
No.
Andrew Jordan in the house. What's up?
The ceiling.
Stupid joke. Anyways, how many hours a week do you spend with Clem?
Most of them.
What's your favorite Yu-Gi-Oh?
Hiroto Honda.
Why?
He's head of the cleanup committee. Come on, guys. What is this? An interrogation or a circus?
Well, how much does it cost to stay at a germ hotel?
It's not your business. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, boss. Who's next?
Lauren Rodin. Lauren, why did you do this?
Because back on the farm, we raise pigs, and I raised this little runt, and I just can't stand that people kill the little critters. Just look so beautiful when God's making them the way they ought to be already.
Are you a fan of the band Bush?
Must be your skin that I'm sinking in. Must be your real cause now I can feel, and I don't mind. I'm not kind.
Lauren?
Yeah?
Is toothpaste a part of your daily diet?
What? Oh, yeah. So after talking to these last two people, Andrew Jordan and Lauren Rodin, I have some things I want to discuss with you. Andrew likes to be clean. He also likes to spend a lot of his time with Mr. Hajar. And he yelled at Mr. Hajar when his hands were dirty. If Andrew wanted them clean so bad, I have a feeling he likes soap. Now Lauren, she snuck into her neighbor's houses, and she stole something. She said it had to do with animal fat and just fat in general. She might be glycerin. I have a feeling. Wait, Farstina, are you awake? Oh.
John McCullough.
Hey dudes.
Does burning ice fascinate you?
But isn't it so cool? Want to see my setup in the forest?
Nah.
So what year is your Impala?
1978.
Well, Mr. John, what's your favorite thing to do?
Well, when I'm not playing football, I like to drive into the sunset.
That's weird. You can go now. Come in, Courtney DeBose. I see you brought some friends with you.
Yeah, Sebastian and Flounder.
So where are you scheduled to meet Prince Eric?
Under the sea.
What do you consider the place that makes everyone happy?
Do you like my fin?
Nah. I hear you have a past with one named Carrie. Care to explain?
Okay, well, like she's looking for her stupid cows, she doesn't wash her hands before she eats her seafood. That's where AJ has to get involved.
Interesting.
Alright, well, you're dismissed.
Okay.
Hello, Tasia Bell. Sorry to interrupt your breakfast. We just have a few questions to ask you.
Okay.
What brought you to IHOP?
Well, you see, I just got my weave did, and I was finna celebrate.
Are you here alone?
Obviously not. I have my pancakes.
Excuse me, ma'am? Why did you need so many servings?
What's wrong with pancakes? Do you have a problem with pancakes? Because if you have a problem with pancakes, then then the pancakes have a problem with you, which means I have a problem with you.
Oh, well. Oopsies.
Alright, well, enjoy the rest of your meal. We've talked to 3 more people. Let's get to the point. John most likely had rubbing alcohol on him. Courtney was in water. Anastasia was syrup. It's really obvious.
What was obvious?
Barcina, let me look at your notes. Are you kidding me? This is not notes. This is not how it's supposed to go. You're so stupid.
Huh?
You're so stupid.
Huh?
Stop.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up. We did it! We went over the bridge and past the troll. Yeah, we did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! We went up the mountain to throw little star home. Yeah, we did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Swiper hit little star in Tico's tree. He said, "Salsa, Tico, salsa," and we found him. Hooray! Yay! Woo! Hooray! We did it! You get the best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both worlds. Bloopers!
Hey, what?
I have a question.
What? Yes.
Duct tape.
Ah! Carrie Fitzgibbons, you may now come in.
Cows! Do you guys know what cows are?
Carrie Fitzgibbons, you may now come in.
Cows!
Carrie Fitzgibbons, you may now come in.
Cows! Have you guys seen any cows?
No. Okay, we have questions for you. Hey! We have questions for you. We have questions for you. Carrie Fitzgibbons, you may now come in.
Cows! Have you guys seen any cows?
No. Hey, calm down. We have questions for you. What towns were you wandering the outskirts of?
Wisconsin? Wisconsin cheese? Do you think there's cows in Wisconsin?
Probably not. Do you find violin amusing?
It's Veronica!
you find cows amusing?
Here, we can just dance. Ready?
Hey, you can't have music. You can't have music. She's got to concentrate.
Guys, come on.
You gotta get
All
the
right.
dance.
I don't have much time. I don't have much time. I'm doing important stuff. Go. Go. Oh, stop. Let's go. Hey, I'm getting out.
What's your favorite Yu-Gi-Oh?
Hiroto, Honda.
Why?
Andrew Jordan in the house!
The ceiling.
Shut up.
How many hours a week do you spend with Clem?
Most of them.
What's your favorite Yu-Gi-Oh?
Hiroto Honda.
Why?
Because he's head of the cleanup committee at school.
Are you a fan of the band Bush?
Where's my line?
Oh,
you confused me.
Oh, Lord.
Sorry. Oh, Lord.
Are you a fan of the band Bush?
Ashley, your paper's covering it.
No, it's not. It must be your. That's right here.
No, Ashley, it was like covered over the first line. Stop recording.
Because we're
Wanted!
Metrics for life.
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.